Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing internet connectivity issues with Prime Video, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser and loading a website. If websites don't load, the issue is with your internet connection, not Prime Video. Step 2. Run an internet speed test on your device. Prime Video requires at least 5 megabits per second for HD streaming and 15 megabits per second for 4K Ultra HD content. Step 3. Restart your router or modem. Unplug the power cable, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and allow the network to fully restart before trying Prime Video. Step 4. Move your device closer to your Wi-Fi router or use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Weak Wi-Fi signals can cause connectivity problems. Step 5. Restart your device completely. Turn off your TV, smartphone, tablet, or computer, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on and try Prime Video again. Step 6. Close other apps and devices using your internet connection. Too many devices streaming or downloading simultaneously can overwhelm your bandwidth. Step 7. Clear the Prime Video app cache and data. On mobile devices, go to Settings, find Prime Video under Apps, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 8. Update the Prime Video app to the latest version. Go to your device's App Store and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.